Good evening. You're watching the Deccan News. Here are the top headlines of the week from Telangana, India, and around the world. A major accident was narrowly avoided in Telangana's Khammam district after a school bus carrying 107 students overturned into a canal. The bus belonging to Sri Vivekananda School in Muddagudem met with the accident at Ganesha Pade village in Penuballi Mandal. At least 20 students sustained serious injuries and were immediately rushed to a nearby hospital. According to eyewitnesses and students, the driver was allegedly under the influence of alcohol at the time of the incident. Police confirmed that the bus lost control due to overloading beyond the permitted student limit. Authorities stated that a major tragedy was avoided as the canal had no water when the bus overturned. An investigation is currently underway. A major drinking water pipeline supplying water from Ramagundam to Hyderabad burst near the Manero stream at Jagayapalli village in Manakundur Mandal of Karimnagar district. The rupture resulted in a powerful jet of water shooting high into the air, uprooting nearby palm trees. As a precautionary measure, electricity supply to nearby agricultural fields was disconnected. Officials confirmed that 3 pipelines carrying Godavari water to Hyderabad have been shut down following the breach, and repair work is underway. AIMIM MLA Akbaruddin Owaisi sparked debate in the Telangana Assembly with a strong speech against the Musi Riverfront Development Project. Owaisi warned that the project could lead to the demolition of homes belonging to poor Muslim families living along the Musi riverbed, stressing the need for equity and justice in urban development. The project, launched in 2024 by the Congress-led Telangana government and inspired by Gujarat's Sabarmati riverfront, aims to redevelop 55 kilometers of polluted river stretch. However, opposition parties BRS and AIMIM have raised concerns over the absence of a detailed project report and escalating costs exceeding 15,000 crore rupees. Owaisi cited the 2006 Sachar Committee report highlighting that Muslims continue to face higher poverty rates and unsafe living conditions, especially in urban riverbank areas.
गरीब लोगों के घरों के आशियानों को उजाड़ने की भी बात कही जा रही है। मैं उम्मीद करूंगा कि आप गरीबों के घरों को नहीं उजाड़ेंगे। आपके पास एक मुकम्मल मंसूबा होगा। जब मैं गरीब के घर और उसके आशियाने की बात कर रहा हूं, तो कोई ये ना समझे कि हम डेवलपमेंट के खिलाफ नहीं, हम चाहते हैं कि डेवलपमेंट आए, लेकिन नॉट एट द कॉस्ट ऑफ टेकिंग अवे, स्नैचिंग अवे द लाइवलीहुड्स ऑफ द पोरेस्ट ऑफ द पुअर। गंदा पानी बह रहा है, बो आ रही है, मच्छर है, बीमार हो रहे हैं, लेकिन फिर भी एक घर बना के वहां पे जिंदगी गुजार रहा है। क्या आप उसके घर को उजाड़ देंगे, या फिर आपके पास कोई मंसूबा है, कोई प्लान है जिसके जरिए आप करेंगे? सर, वहां पे ऐसे भी घर हैं सर, ऐसे भी पट्टास है सर, पट्टा है उनके पास, ऐसे भी घर है जो ग्राउंड फ्लोर है, फर्स्ट फ्लोर है, सेकंड फ्लोर है। अगर आप बोलेंगे कि 3 मंजिला इमारत में रहने वाला एक 2 बेडरूम में चला जाए तो कोई कैसा जाए? तो ये इस चीज पर भी गौर करना चाहिए, और इसको कैसे कर रहे हैं सर?
The government of India has hiked commercial LPG cylinder prices by 111 rupees effective January 1. Revised prices now stand at Delhi 1691 rupees 50 paise, Kolkata 1795 rupees, Mumbai 1642 rupees 50 paise, Hyderabad 1912 rupees 50 paise. This is the highest single increase since June last year and is expected to significantly impact hotels, restaurants and commercial establishments, with industry bodies warning of increased operational costs and possible rise in consumer prices. Several dramatic incidents were reported across Hyderabad during New Year's Eve drunken drive checks. At Nampalli, a youth caught driving under the influence created a scene by pleading with police, falling at their feet and attempting to harm himself. Police intervened promptly and ensured his safety.
क्या काम करता पापा?
चाइनीज का काम करता
पापा
था।
रे पापा।
पापा नहीं है, पप्पा पप्पा
भाई है ना? इधर
पप्पा ऊपर रहने दे।
इधर इधर
पापा
इधर
ऊपर
हाँ वो माँ क्या कर?
माँ
At Vanasthalipuram, a man lay down in the middle of the road, alleging police brutality and denying alcohol consumption. His actions disrupted traffic and caused panic at the checkpoint. At Kulsumpura, another incident saw an intoxicated man arguing aggressively with traffic police, questioning video recording and alleging assault. The entire episode was captured on camera and has since gone viral. Police reiterated that strict enforcement will continue to ensure public safety.
गाड़ी लेके गए मेरे पीएस को गाड़ी लेके गए मारे को मारे नल्ला बता जाना
The Ghaziabad police faced backlash after a video went viral showing an officer allegedly asking slum residents if they were from Bangladesh during a verification drive. In the video, the SHO is heard saying, "Machine Bangladeshi dikha rahi hai," despite the individual identifying himself as a resident of Bihar. The incident has triggered widespread criticism on social media. As of now, no official statement has been issued by Ghaziabad police.
मशीन लगाओ इनकी पीठ पे। बोलो कहाँ से? बांग्लादेश। मशीन तो बांग्लादेश बता रही है।
A tragic fire at Lake Constellation Bar in Crans, Montana, located in the Swiss Alps, has claimed at least 40 lives, with over 115 people injured. The blaze broke out around 1:30 a.m. on January 1 during packed New Year celebrations. Local hospitals were overwhelmed, prompting international rescue assistance. Swiss authorities have ruled out terror involvement and are investigating possible causes, including sparklers used during celebrations. Victim identification remains challenging due to the international mix of visitors. New York Mayor Zohran Mamdani has written a letter to human rights activist Umar Khalid, who remains lodged in Tihar jail under UAPA charges related to the Delhi violence conspiracy case. The letter has drawn attention internationally, adding to ongoing debates surrounding civil liberties, free speech, and prolonged incarceration. Those were the top stories of the week. Thank you for watching. Stay informed, stay safe.